Okay, so in the box, I got my packing slip, and what I ended up doing was I got the pair of Flyaway. I got them in black, and this is the new box, which has a really pretty like gold string on it this time, and it has a hippo. Really cute, kind of like Flower Power 1960s looking. There's the side, and then here's the bottom part. But really cute. I really like it, and the strings are really cool, really metallic. Okay. So anyway, oh, I'm sorry, they're not Flyaway. These are called Fly Free. My bad. So anyway, I got them in a 42 in black. Okay. Kind of really pretty yellow paper. And when I saw these, they look kind of like they go well with the pinup outfit. So that's what I have on today. Beautiful. So these are kind of like a shiny fabric with printed flowers. The flowers are printed. Oh, nice. I didn't know the bird was going to be sparkly like that. Kind of reminding me of those swallow tattoos that pinups get or sailors used to get. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at the bottom. Adorable. Anyway, really glittery heel. Love it. Okay. And there's scalloping on the edges right here. And what does the inside look like? Really pretty. I think I've seen some handbags with that lining. Really nice. But let me go ahead and get the other one out of the box, and then I'm going to do a try on. Okay? Okay, so these are the shoes. And again, I wear an 11, which is a 42 in Irregular Choice. And please let these fit. Ooh, perfect. Okay, perfect. Wow, these are really comfortable. The other one on. Oh my god. These are adorable. Oh. Cute. How cute are these? And of course, like I said, these shoes look like they're kind of pinup style. So I went ahead and I styled the shoes with the pinup dress with polka dots. Anyway, love the look. Match perfectly. Couldn't really ask for a better shoe, especially like with the polka dots on the shoe. It'll go with a lot of your pinup outfits. Okay, another thing I was going to mention. If you order from Irregular Choice, generally they have free shipping if your items are $150 or more. Now the Fly Free shoes cost $135. So what I ended up doing was I just supplemented the order. I ordered 8 of the tote bags, the small ones. I'm going to tell you why. Because these are perfect when you buy your shoes off the secondary market and they do not come with a box. Or some of the handbags that you purchase that come like maybe from alternative websites and they don't have a nice box that comes with them. These are perfect because they'll fit a pair of shoes in them. Ta-da! So it just looks a lot better when you're, you know, stacking them up on your shelf or keeping them in the room. Just super cute. And they're only like, I think $2 a bag, which is a really great deal. And that way you get free shipping. So there you go. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.